આભાર મેડમ. આપનો સોને ખીલવવા માટે તેઓના સારા ગુણ સુટેવને પ્રોત્સાહિત કરવા ગ્રીન કાર્ડ અપાય છે. તો આ વર્ષ દરમિયાન સૌથી વધુ ગ્રીન કાર્ડ મેળવનાર વિદ્યાર્થીઓને વાર્ષિકોત્સવમાં સન્માનિત કરાય છે. પ્રજાપતિ નચિકેત ભાવેશભાઈ, ગુજરાતી માધ્યમ ધોરણ 1 થી 4 પ્રાથમિક વિભાગ, સૌથી વધુ ગ્રીન કાર્ડ મેળવે છે. તાળીઓના ગડગડાટથી વિદ્યાર્થીઓને વધાવતા રહીશું. પંચોલી વિઘ્નેશ હિતેશભાઈ, અંગ્રેજી માધ્યમ ધોરણ 1 થી 4 પ્રાથમિક વિભાગ, ખૂબ ખૂબ અભિનંદન. જહાંગીર ગુંજન, જેમણે IMO ઓલિમ્પિયાડની સ્પર્ધામાં નેશનલ લેવલમાં ફોર્થમાં ઉત્કૃષ્ટ દેખાવ કરેલ છે, તથા ખૂબ ખૂબ અભિનંદન શાળા પરિવાર તરફથી. પરમાર પ્રાચી દિલીપભાઈ, કરાટેમાં ઉત્કૃષ્ટ દેખાવ બદલ. આભાર સર. સર, આપને પ્રાસંગિક ઉદ્બોધન માટે વિનંતી કરું છું.
Respected Sri Trivedi sir, Professor Meenal Dave, my colleague and my friend, Principal of this school, Sri Mahesh Thakurji, the various invited guests from educational arena, from the district administration, from the media, dear parents, and my dear children. First of all, I'm feeling very blessed that I've been invited to this wonderful institution to be as the chief guest. I sincerely thank the school management for having me here. This is kind of honor which will always be cherished in the coming years. I belong to Lucknow. I came to Gujarat some 4 years ago, and there is a school in Ankleshwar, Chandrabala Modi Academy. Prior to that, I spent a lot of time outside. I had a dream that whenever I will come back to India, I will work in Gujarat. I was, moved by the philosophy of the development this state has taken up under the leadership of Mr. Narendra Modi, who was then the Chief Minister. And now his successors are also following the same passion, with the same passion, and this very state of this wonderful country, so-called India, is developing at a very rapid speed. So one of my dreams got fulfilled when I came to Gujarat. And believe me, I still do not understand Gujarati a lot, but I have been learning from my students, from my teachers, certain very popular words like Kencho, Mazama, and such kind of words which frequently come across to me every day. I have been coming to this institution because I am very closely associated with Sri Mahesh Thakurji, and each time I visited this school, I found that this school is something doing very different. It has a legacy, and the teachers are very dedicated, the students are very disciplined. I must thank the parents that you have put your children in a very right school in the district so-called Bharuch, and their future is in the safe hands. I was going through the annual report which Mr. Thakur has presented. I could realize that in each and every arena of so-called educational field, the children are excelling. Be it engineering, be it medical, be it extracurricular activities, be it educational excursion like visiting Bombay Stock Exchange. everywhere the children are getting tremendous opportunity to develop themselves. That is something very unique. Also, the kind of learning programs which are going on these days in various schools, I find this school is very unique because whatever is done here is done with a lot of passion and a lot of dedication, and that is very much visible in the children of this school. Just now I was having a chit chat before coming to this school. I was told that there are 3,000 students in this school. Having such a large number of students and managing them is not an easy job. So I must congratulate the very efficient team of this very school, Narayan Vidya Vihar. My congratulations to all the teachers, those who are working day and night, burning their midnight oil and grooming the children who have been given under their kind care by the respected parents, those who are sitting here. I must also mention that in the coming years, this school is certainly bound to touch several other heights in different areas. And as for the first time, the batch of class 10th from the CBC section will be taking the examination this year. My congratulations and good luck to all those students who are going to appear this time in the board examination. And I hope this legacy will continue in the coming years, and this school will flourish under the able guidance of Mr. Mahesh Thakur and under the able leadership of Mr. Trivedi, who is very much present here. Thank you so much.
થેન્ક યુ સર. આજે શ્રી અમર શ્રીવાસ્તવ સરનો બર્થડે છે સર, આપને અહીં જ સ્ટેજ પર ઉપસ્થિત રહેવા વિનંતી. આજે તેમને જન્મદિને શુભેચ્છા પાઠવીએ અને જન્મદિનને યાદગાર બનાવવા માટે કેક કાપીને તેમની ઉજવણી કરીએ. હું આચાર્યશ્રીને વિનંતી કરું તેમાં જોડાવા માટે.
See, when this morning I entered in my school, I don't know how they came to know that today is my birthday. And it spread like coronavirus, you know. Every child, every teacher, they started coming to my chamber and congratulating me and all that. And it continued for the entire day. And you won't believe me, I received more than 400 greeting cards, which were then and there made by my students.